Oh, we missed the model. Where is our rat? Holy Jesus. Our model rat didn't make it today. Welcome, 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 welcome. And we have the car of the day. This is a 2022 Toyota Tacoma, guys. And we are doing today black wrap with mahogany inserts. This is for the body, black stitch. This is gonna be a very interesting kit, guys. And this particular one is gonna have degree system. So we're gonna have cooling and heating, which is are the pads. We have the main brain and also the main switch for the system. So this is a very bulky switch. We're gonna be installing that in the vehicle. And we have the motors for the blowing, and this is the responsible for the magic when it comes to converting the air to cool and to heat. It's like a radiator, very sophisticated piece, guys, right here. And the wire harness, and this is what we have. And guys, I know it looks like crap, but wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this transformation is going to be. So let's take a look at the vehicle. Color green. This is like the army green. And guys, this is what we're talking about. Horrible, stinky, stain cloth seats. It needs leather for sure. So you cannot drive this vehicle in these conditions. It needs a transformation. That's what is here. This is the rear. And say problem, see how stained and horrible these seats already are. That's why we are being assigned to do something about this. You guys deserve better. Don't do this to your vehicles. Guys, you want this. You want a transformation, you want leather seats, go to leathertech.com, buy EM upholstery technology, so you can order a factory match, custom design. We have over 60 different colors, endless combinations, contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, double hex, honeycomb, and many other, guys. So we have them all for you. Exotics like ostrich, alligator, suede skin, you name it, we have them. Leathertech.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Guys, like and subscribe so you can see more transformations and you can see how beautiful these leather seats are going to be. Leathertech.com by EM Upholstery Technology. We are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. So look forward for the completion of this installation so you can see how beautiful the transformation is going to be. And guys, please don't do this to your vehicles. Get leather. Leathertech.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Thank you, guys. And there you have it, guys, the 2022 Tacoma. It is completed. And it's a beautiful rainy day here in San Bernardino. And this is the beauty, guys. Mahogany inserts with a black wrap, black thread. This is the back. Beautiful. Guys, you deserve this interior. Get rid of the ugly, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats and get leather. Leathertech by EM Upholstery Technology. Over 60 different colors and combinations, guys. Exotic materials like ostrich, alligator, and many others. So we have quiltings, piping, contrast stitch, you name it. Let me show you something important here, guys. We talked about this in the beginning of the video. We have cooling and heating. 3 different settings for heating and 3 different settings for cooling, guys. This truck was equipped with our degree system so you can be cozy on the winter, have your seats warm, and you can be cool in the summer. Make an inquiry, guys, like and subscribe so you can see more vehicle transformations as we go forward in our journey. More cars, more restyling, and make your inquiry. Get yours. You deserve this. We ship for free to the 48 continental states, and we do installations here in San Bernardino, and we can get you the installation also in your place. Just make an inquiry so we can help you with that. And guys, visit leathertech.com by emapostolitechnology.com. Thank you.